Okay, so ganito lang paano kasimple kung paano mag-payout o mag-request ng encashment dito sa Dream Big Time. Okay, so first is siyempre mag-login tayo. Okay. Ang gagamitin natin is yung account ng aking partner na si Brandon. Okay. Login now. Click mo yung login now. Okay, alam mo na yan. Okay, so unang step na gagawin mo is punta ka account settings, then bank account informations. So edit mo tong bank account mo. Okay. Ang bank na available is Metrobank, BPI, and BDO. So sa kanya is BPI, si Brandon. Okay. Account name is Brandon J. Arcilla. Account number. Okay. Account branch. Importante yan. Okay. Then Swift code. Swift code, ibibigay ko yung details ng mga Swift code available. Sa video na to ipapakita ko sa yung link. Okay, then update mo lang yung bank information. Then click OK. So makikita mo wala nangyari pero okay na po yan. Ibig sabihin okay na po yan. Then susunod na gagawin mo is punta encashment. Then request for encashment. Okay. Kita mo dito, lalagay mo dito is yung request type is bank transfer. Then yung amount dapat to, amount. Okay. So 667. Okay, then yung password niya. Then submit request. Okay, tapos continue to submit. Okay mo lang ulit. Then ayan na, makikita mo na kung yung request mo. Okay, so naka-status pending pa yan. Okay.
Para naman sa mga partner natin dyan na walang bank account, okay, or di kaya magre-request ng payout through bank na hindi nakapangalan sa kanila, include kayo ng letter with a copy of your valid ID, okay, authorizing the bank account holder to receive your payout. Okay, so ulitin ko yun kailangan mo maglagay ng letter or isama mo sa email na nag-authorize ka na si upline or si kung sino man ang magre-receive ng payout mo. And isama mo yung valid ID mo.
You need to email dominopayoutrequest@gmail.com with your username, full name, telephone number or cellphone, tapos complete address din, then date of cycle kung kailan ka nag-cycle. Okay, so kailangan mong email yon and mapi-payout ka na. Okay, so every Friday po ang payout natin. Every Friday po nila pinapadala ang ating payout.
At ang cut-off day is every Wednesday. Okay, so see you around and God bless.